Hi, my name is Antonella Di Giulio, and I am a pianist, piano teacher, and music theorist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to practice Mary Has a Little Lamb accompanied by chords. First, we will practice the chords, and you will practice two fingers first, and then you will add the third one. You will practice how to go from one chord to the next one. We will only use two chords in this piece. And then you will make sure that you know really well how to play the melody with the right hand. Once you know really well how to play right hand and left hand, then you're going to play with both hands together. The difficult part is to play the melody connected while playing the chords. So you might want to stop at the end of each measure, stop on the finger of the right hand, lift the left hand, prepare again the next chord, and then play both hands together. Do that for a few times until you don't feel really comfortable in doing that. And then slowly you're going to speed up this pause that you're playing between the measures. And I'm pretty sure that your Mary Has a Little Lamb is going to be amazing.